Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel if you haven't been here before. This is Novelle. Say hi. Hi. So today's video we're going to show you guys how to put our car seat back together after you take all the fabric and wash it. Then I'm going to take you guys right straight outside. I'm going to show you how to hook it up. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like with a child in it as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you like videos like these. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And comment down below also what kind of car seat you use. This is the safety first. It's the 3-in-1. Yeah, it's a 3-in-1 feature. And anyway, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm going to kind of speed through this. The first things first, Novelle has her baby. We're going to put on the first piece. And all you do, there's little holes up here. And it takes less than 5 minutes if you're not talking. You're just going to loop them right in there. And you're going to get the ears right on there. And don't be afraid that you're going to harm the material or anything. It'll be okay. Now, as for the straps, you have to loosen them in the front. So if you guys can see, you're just going to take this piece right here. You're going to push down, and you're going to pull the straps and loosen them. Loosen them quite a bit so you don't lose the piece that you're going to have to use to put them back through everything. Make sure your chest piece is unclipped. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing because it's kind of a hassle. So we're just going to tip it up. We're going to loosen them all the way. Hold on, Novelle. Whoa is right. Okay, be sure that your seat is actually tipped all the way back because it's so much easier to find this clip. That's the mistake I was just making. Just go ahead and unclip them right here. And then keep this place right here. Pull your straps forward. And you can go ahead and flip it up because it's still going to be sitting right there. Watch out, Novelle. And then your seat areas just come right out. Go ahead and pull them straight out. And then what you want to do is you want to hook this on as well. Make sure it's going the right way. And it's kind of hard to get it on video because it's so bulky. But make sure that you have it fully aligned in the car seat special. Okay. Okay. And then make sure that the loops are through, if you guys can see that. Okay, let's see if we can switch this position. Okay, I feel like this is so much easier. You guys can work along with us now. And I can stand up. Now make sure you guys get it around the, here we'll sit down so you guys can see that better. Make sure you get it around the cup holders. I'm going to show you a trick in a second. Make sure you also take these seat belts and pull them up through the sides. There's like a little slot in here. And you want to make sure that you pull them fully out in this little slot. And you'll know if it's right or if it's wrong, but you'll get there, I promise. It took me one good try to figure it out, but I'm very car seat safety worthy, so I make sure that everything's perfect when I do take her out. And then once you have that part all figured out, and you have all of your pieces showing again, all your safety features, because these are safety features, go ahead and loop. Okay, let's see how much time we got. All right, what baby? Okay, so when you turn the car seat to the side, you have these little areas right here, and there's actually a hook underneath, but you're not going to hook that yet. What you're going to do is you're going to unbutton this piece. You're going to lift this piece up. Hold on, baby. And this piece right here actually goes underneath of the red. And there's 2 buckles, so make sure that you snap those right under there. And what that does is it keeps it back there, so there's a little bit of cushion behind it if you do get into an accident. This front piece, watch out, Novelle, watch out. This front piece has a little cover. Don't push that. And what you do is you just hook it right underneath there. And ta-da, you have your entire car seat basically into place. Everything is perfect right now. So what you want to do, watch out, watch out. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you fit your child We put this one in the wrong hole. That's why it felt weird. You want to place your child in the car seat and know exactly where the headrest is supposed to be and where the straps will lay. You want to have, let's get down here. You want to make sure that your straps are, if they're rear facing, below the shoulder. If they are front facing, you want them at the shoulder or just above if they're front facing. But if they are rear facing, which they should be rear facing to at least 2, my daughter turned 2, but she'll be rear facing until she grows out of it. And this car seat goes up to 48 pounds. Yeah, or I'm sorry, it's 56 pounds for rear facing, and it's 46 inches for rear facing as well. So she's only 39 inches tall right now. And she just turned 2 last week. So she'll be using this for a while, going the way it is. Now I'm going into these loops right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to shove them straight through. And I'm going to show you guys in just a second how to do this. Also, I wanted to mention, if you have an infant child and you're in this, there's one loop here and there's a loop right here. You want to use the shortest loop for an infant child, and you want to use this one if they're older when you are driving for rear facing or front facing for a child. Of course, an infant baby's not going to be rear facing, or I'm sorry, front facing anytime soon. So we're just buckling that. You also want to make sure that you pull your strap right out of here. Yeah. And have that. And then also for rear facing, watch out, babe. You want to make sure that your crotch buckle is either in the first or the second hole. We keep ours in the second hole just so she has a little bit more space while she is in the car. Now what you're going to do once again, I'm so sorry, this is distracting, is you want to make sure that you level it all the way back and you have that little piece right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it so I can show you that I'm going to hook up those seat areas. Now you want to shove it in here underneath the layout. Hold on, baby. For both of them. Okay, hold on. And you want to feel for them because they should have come right down. Yep, they're right here. And the seat. It's falling from underneath us. And you want to make sure that they're actually full on straight, as well as this buckle here. Make sure that it is straight. And something is kinked or something is not straight because the buckles are not going correctly. There we go. There's one. And here is 2. Now, when you flip it back up, Novella, you have to move. Move, dear. Now, when you flip it back up, everything should be in place. And those side areas I told you about, you can now hook them. So you'll take your one, and the hook, it's not really a hook, it's just part of the car seat, hangs down. So you just want to latch it right on there. Both sides you want to do this. Okay, also to say as well, let's turn this around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Hold on. This cross-through belt actually goes under the front area here, and it actually hangs out. In my car, I do not have those center belts. In my car, the clips in the bottom of the seats for a rear-facing child. So I do use a seat belt. Even in Colt's car, we have, this one is from Colt's car. Mine's in my car right now. If I could speak. In Colt's car, we still hook these and use a seatbelt. They tell you you can use one or the other, but I use both. Obviously, in my car, we only use a seatbelt. We make sure it's very tight because she is in the middle clasp. When they are rear-facing, it's this way. If they are front-facing, you still use these, and you also have a tether belt that comes through on the back, which is this. You would hook this over top of your seat and hook it to the floor. Some of them are on the very back of the seats. But what I was trying to show you guys is if they are front-facing, there's areas right here for those same belts because they come right out. As you saw, they were just hanging. You put them back here and you hook it to the back of the seat as well, so they are fully safe at all times. So now let's show you guys what it should look like with a child in the car. All right, so what you want to do, you got to show them. You got to buckle up. Show them. Show them. Okay, so we're out of luck by showing you guys how to buckle them in, but I'll make sure I insert a picture right here. So, once you have them fully strapped in and everything, make sure that if they are rear facing, that they're reclined. We recline Nova all the way back because if they fall asleep, you don't want their head to hang or anything because that cuts off breathing. But I'm going to show you guys really quick how we have our vehicle faced right in there, right in our car. Okay, this is our car seat. You can see the other one's in the house because it's the Colt's car. But you can see how it is fully reclined back. In some vehicles, it'll look like it's back further. You also want to make sure that it's lined up with this level. Especially for an infant child, you can tell that it's right in the tether is still hanging. We have a rubber band wrapped around it. And it's a little bit messy. We have to wash this one as well. But it's not going really anywhere. When you do put it in, I want to show you guys real quick. When you do strap it in, make sure you're pushing down like this to strap it so that you can tighten it right in here. And make sure that if you're using a side belt here, make sure it fully clips into place before you let go. But as you can see, it's not going anywhere. But that's what it should look like being in the car. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. I just figured car seat safety is a #1 for your child. And always, I cannot stress enough, always make sure your child is rear facing until they at least exceed the limits on the car seat, not the law. It is safer for a child to be sitting rear facing for a long time than them be into a really bad car accident and get hurt. Rear facing is the safest way to go. Sorry about that last verse. My phone died. And Novelle was squirting water all over, so she needs changed.
So why not do what you've been doing?
Hey, Boogie.
You've got the power.
Anyway, I hope this video helped anybody who had any questions about car seat safety or didn't know how to put their car seat back together. And again, we have the Safety First 3-in-1. That's the car seat we have. Our other one is the same exact one, but this one was made in 2018 that I showed you, and then the one in my car was made in 2017. So there's a year difference. But anyway, also too, if you ever get into a car accident, if you didn't know this, your car insurance will pay for a brand new car seat. Whether it was you were T-boned, you were back-end, rear-ended, stuff like that, they will pay for a brand new car seat, even if it was a small demeanor. So anyway, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I have to get the change in my daughter's pants because she's just soaked. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.